Okay, so we've built up our structure and our workflow. So what we're going to look at now is actually utilizing the mechanical browser here on the left to reuse and edit data. What I've done is place some red construction lines. They're on the layer AM_CL. We'll switch them off shortly, but what we're going to do is utilize those construction lines and basically recreate what we've got here on the left. So if I go to Rung now, right click and go Insert and Component View, I want the top view. So I click on top and there's my top view there. So what I'm going to do now is just hover on that midpoint there and I can insert it. And as you can see, I can rotate it. Once I've got it, click again, it's done. I now go to Column, right click, Insert, Component View, Top, and again, I come in here, make sure I get the right intersection, the midpoint there, and again, get that vertically, just using polar tracking. And I've just inserted exactly what I've got there, just using my mechanical browser. Isn't that cool? Just so quick and easy. So let's zoom in now. Let's get the rest of it drawn up. So what I'm going to do now is I need to make sure that I use the right insertion point now for the rung on the left-hand view. So rung, right click, insert, component view left, and you'll see it's got that insertion point I selected. So I go to the intersection there, rotate it accordingly, click, and that's in place. I want the column left view now. So column, click there, insert, component view, and left. And look, the insertion points are already lined up for me. It's easy. So I just pick there, make sure I've got that dead vertical, and click. And look how quick and easy it is to reuse that data. It's so quick and easy. So now I go to my rung again here, insert component view, and I want front this time. I'll drop that there on that midpoint, get it level, left click. I've done that wrong. No problem. Just do an undo, column, right click, insert component view and front again. And you'll see there's my column. Get that the way I want it to go, click. I'll do the rung again, redo that. Insert component view, and I want front. As you can see, I line that in there with that midpoint. Make sure it's in the right place. Click, and there we are. Exactly the same as what I had there. I go to my layers now here. There's AM3. I want AMCL frozen. There it is there. So I freeze that off. Click in the drawing area, and look at that. Exactly the same, just using construction lines. Quick and easy, and in my mechanical browser, look, top 2, left 2, front 2, top 2, left 2, front 2. Different views, different names, but I'm reusing and editing that data. Now I can click on any of this and edit it as well. So rung top, if I go there, edit objects, I'm in edit structure mode now, you can see that there. Enter an option, I can add, remove or copy. So I might add, and it says select objects to add to active folder view. So what I might do there is go in here, like so. I want to add that object to the active folder view, and I just come out like so. So I can add that to the view, or there might be other objects I want to add. So let's place a small circle in there. Let's go onto the right layer. I want to be on AM1 or AM0, something like that, one of my contour layers. And I'll just place a small circle in there. I'll just hover there, and bring that up there until it snaps in. Place a small circle there like so to show a hole in the top of the rung. So now I'll go here and I want to add that information. So I go here like that and I want to edit it. So let me just hit escape a couple of times there. And I want to edit that information. So I'm coming back here, there's rung like so. And you'll see there, look, that's been added to rung 1. As you can see, if I come out though, hasn't been added to anything else. I'll click on edit structure there, close edit structure. So I'll add, select that circle, right click to confirm, and close edit structure. So I'll close that there, and that's done. So that information now I need to add to the active folder view, like so. That's been found. Enter to confirm that, enter again, and you'll see now that that's in there. If If I hover over that now, can you see when I hover, the circle is included in the top view? Can you see that there? It's been added to that top view of the rung. So when I hover there, like so, I've got the rung there, that's been added. Okay, so as you can see, you can add objects as you go as well, and again, edit and reuse them in your AutoCAD mechanical drawings.